Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share with you how to make monster cookies. I thought these would be perfect. Easter is really close, it's about a week away, and I know a lot of us are kind of improvising with things that we're making. We can't really go out and shop at the moment. We can't be with our families. So I decided to share with you monster cookies. I'm going to be sending these to my sister because my nephew absolutely loves these. I told him that monsters help make them. That's why they're called monster cookies. And he is over the moon, like in love with them. So I wanted, sorry, I'm like out of breath. This baby. So I wanted to just share the recipe with you. I think it's just such a delicious recipe. It's so versatile. You can take away and add whatever you want. And I hope you enjoy the recipe and happy Easter. Okay, so I know that this looks like a lot, but don't panic. It'll all be fine. So in here what I have is some flour, some salt, some baking powder, and baking soda. Back here I just have some brown sugar, granulated sugar, and some softened butter. You're going to need oats, either quick or just the old-fashioned ones, whatever one you want. You're going to need chocolate of your choice. I'm using M&M's because I had these cool ones from Easter. So I'm using those, well, for Easter. And then semi-sweet chocolate chips. You're going to need rice cereal. This is a vanilla paste, but you can use vanilla extract. And then, of course, eggs. You're going to preheat your oven to 375. And let's get started. So I'm going to attempt to do this by hand. I'm just going to whisk this together until it's nice and smooth. Might take me a while, but wish me luck. So all I'm mixing is brown sugar, granulated sugar, and the butter. I just want this to be one smooth mixture. Alrighty, so this is mixed in. It's gorgeous. I'm going to do one egg at a time. Oops, if I can get it in. Alright, let's just do 2 eggs. You'd want to do it one at a time, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to mix this until it's nicely incorporated. It's already like really smooth. I think this is my favorite part of mixing because I feel like you really can't mess this up. You know what I mean? So, and then to finish off with the wet, I'm going to do my vanilla paste. Now I ran out of vanilla extract, which is why I'm using vanilla paste. But if you have vanilla extract, use that. I mean, I typically would use it, but I'm not going to go to the store to buy it because this will do the trick. So I'm going to give this a nice stir. And then we're going to start to add in the dry. Okay, so this is all set. As you could see, I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. Now for this, I'm going to use a spatula because it will be impossible to fold in with a whisk. And I do this by hand. You can do this with a mixer, but let me tell you why I do it by hand. I tend to overmix if I use a mixer. Now, if you can gauge pretty well when to stop with the mixer, please go for it and make your life easier. I cannot. I overmix and then my cookie becomes really tough. And I don't want that. I want a really soft, even though these are going to be a little bit crispier, I still want a nice soft center. So that is why I do this by hand. All right, I'm going to finish this off. And then we're going to finish it up with our toppings. Well, not our toppings, but the good stuff, the chocolate and stuff. Okay, it's nicely mixed in. I just want to show you, look at how fluffy and gorgeous this dough is. It's just like, oh, and it smells wonderful. So I'm going to add in my oats and both types of chocolate. I know my sister, when she makes these, she makes them with nuts too. So if you want, you can add that. I do not because, well, I would die. So I substitute the nuts for cereal. And I do the cereal all the way at the end because they're like the Rice Krispies, so I don't want to depuff them, if that makes sense, while I'm mixing everything together. So I do that last. I don't even know if depuffing is a word, but we're just going to go with it here. Okay, everything is mixed in beautifully. So I'm going to attempt to do this with this ice cream scoop because I want my cookies to be bigger. So wish me luck. If you don't have a bigger ice cream scoop, just use 2 of the smaller ones. I don't know, about 1/4 cup or so. And you're going to want to spread them out just a little bit because they're going to expand as they grow, as they bake, I mean. So try to get them out onto your baking sheet with the help of your clean hands. Okay, so I did my best. I tried to spread them out quite a bit because they grow to be pretty big cookies. So what you're going to do is you're going to put these into your preheated oven, which is preheated at 375 for about 20 to 23 minutes, 24 minutes, depending on the oven, or until they're fully cooked through. And then you can enjoy them with like a nice glass of cold milk, and you're going to love them. I hope you guys love this recipe as much as me and my girl do, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!